Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your smartwatch to your phone and receive calls on it. So today I'm going to be using the Hw22 smartwatch, and I'm going to connect it on my phone so that I can receive calls on my watch. And this is an easy process. So this is the Hw22. It's quite a good watch, and to connect it on your phone you need to use an app called Wearfit. But I'm going to be showing you a way to connect it without downloading any app. So as you see, if I go to About in Settings, this is Hw22 smartwatch. It's quite a good watch and I recommend it because I've been using it for quite some time and it's a good watch. It has a good battery health and its features are good. So as you see, I can't receive calls on it right now because calls are not enabled at the moment. And I'm going to be showing you how you can receive calls on your smartwatch. So I'm going to connect it on my phone, and you don't need any additional app to connect it on your phone. So all you're going to do is first turn on the watch Bluetooth. It's the first icon in the top. It has a phone icon and a Bluetooth icon. So you turn it on and you go to your phone. You turn on Bluetooth on your phone. So Bluetooth has to be on so that the phone keeps connected to the watch. And after turning on your phone's Bluetooth, you're going to see this icon which says watch calls. So you're going to place on it so that you pair with the watch. As you see, it has brought the pair icon. I place on pair, and now my watch is paired to my phone. Now I can receive calls from my watch. If a person calls me, I'll be able to receive calls on my watch, even though the phone is somewhere, but it has to be in the Bluetooth range because the phone is connected to the watch via Bluetooth. As you see, I'm receiving a call and the call came to my watch. So I'm receiving a call and that exact number is coming to my watch. So that's how you can connect your smartwatch to your phone so that you can receive calls on it. And it's an easy way to connect your watch. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.